Okay, so you said make the calves a different color. So here we got the Spartan. I'll just hide the rig. So you go to click on the legs, and you hit tab to go to edit mode, then 3 for face mode, or you can click up there, and edit mode's also there. Then click the part. Control L will select all linked parts. This just makes it go faster. So basically, I won't take up too much time, but basically just select, like, you gotta look around a lot, but select everything that you want to make the different color. You might want to actually go to wireframe mode to make sure you're getting all the parts. Wait a second, hold on. Because of the way the materials work, I actually don't have to be quite as careful. I can just, if I go to wireframe, I can select through. Hold on. Basically, just select everything you want to be a different color, Control L a few times to make sure that all linked parts. Looks like we're missing some pieces. Let's see what else. Looks like there's a piece of the armor we didn't catch. There we... Oh, another piece right there. Perfect, okay. Wait, is that... Looks like there's still some extra faces. Right, you didn't get the inside. Okay, then. So yeah, you make sure that everything you want the different color is selected. You can always go back and fix this too if you miss parts, but then we're gonna go here. So you see the material for it is MP underscore Master Chief. So you're gonna add a material, then go MP Master Chief, find that material, then you're gonna hit this thing which duplicates it. Let's call it, I don't know, just like Alt. Okay, and now make sure without the stuff selected, hit Assign. Then you can tab back into object mode. So now, if you go to the normal one, you can set the color to green, and it's not affecting that because now that material is called Master Chief Alt, and we can set that to a different color. And you can do that with any part of the armor.